Say, thank the Lord I woke up this morning. Yes, this is how it is when you don't want to wake up. When that alarm clock go off. Bah, 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 bah. I'm trying. Leave me alone, Daddy. I want to go back to sleep. Leave me alone right now. Bah, 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 bah. Gotta get up. Gotta get up. Gotta get up. Get up. Gotta
get up. Hi, Mom.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
The baby boy didn't want to get up yet. Fat, look at him. Fat. Look. Fat boy. What? Daddy. Look at Mama's.
I want my mom.
Do-rag shorty got the line on the do-rag shorty line. The do-rag shorty line.
Do it, Shady. Do it. Thomas.
I hope y'all have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, follow.
Press that button right there.
Press that button right there. Ooh. We need y'all.
No, we need y'all.
We need y'all.
We need y'all.
Come on.
Mom.
Where they at?
Wait.